Rānea te rangi e tū nei au ake, rānea te pape e tākoto nei au ake, rānea te whare e tū nei au ake. Huia, huia, whiti whiti o rei.
Filmmaker of the Year, te ohire. Drum roll please. Rangatahi James.
My inspiration was my relationship with my brother. After my mother passed away, we sort of grew quite distant, but in the recent years we've started to rekindle that relationship. So this short film was a dedication to that, the fact that it's almost like, it felt like he was running away, but deep down it's still related in some way.
Yeah, that's so cool that you guys have been able to reconnect. Was he here today to watch your film?
Sadly he can be here today, but I'm sure we're going to have dinner soon.
Oh, awesome. Maybe you can show him then. What E Tū Whānau value best describes your film?
Whanaungatanga is definitely one that connects with it the most because it's all about connection. The short film is literally speaking of, even though we're physically apart, we're still emotionally connected and we're still whānau no matter how far we are. So I think that there is a strong link here with that value.
I witnessed you when you were unstoppable and when you were helpless. I watched you grow up and turn into someone I never could be. Maybe the only reason why I never really left was because of you. If the past is any indication of the future, then I am sure that we will meet again one day.
How long did it take for you to put together all the components to your film?
So we filmed it over 24 hours,
Okay.
the main photography, but the editing took another 2 days. So it was about a working week, probably 5 days of work.
Wow.
Nothing to putting it up on YouTube.
Oh, well, congratulations for taking out E Tū Whānau Rangatahi Filmmaker of the Year.
My brother, which that short film was dedicated to, his love that he's given me throughout my whole entire life. But lastly, to my mum and dad, everything that I've learnt, you taught, and everything that I've done, you did first. So thank you very much.
I'm Rangatahi James. My short film is For My Brother and it won the E Tū Whānau Rangatahi Filmmaker of the Year award.